Article 233A of the Indian Constitution was inserted by the Constitution, 20th Amendment, Act, 1966. This article addresses the validation of appointments, postings, promotions, and transfers of district judges in certain circumstances. Here's a breakdown of its provisions. Purpose and context. Article 233A was introduced to address situations where appointments, postings, promotions, or transfers of district judges might have been made in a manner that did not strictly comply with Articles 233 or 235 of the Constitution. Articles 233 and 235 govern the appointment and control of district judges. Article 233 concerns the appointment of district judges by the governor in consultation with the High Court, while Article 235 relates to the control over district courts and subordinate courts. Specific provisions of Article 233A. Main provision. The article overrides any judgment, decree, or order of any court that might otherwise challenge the validity of certain judicial appointments, postings, promotions, or transfers. Clause A. Validation of appointments and movements of district judges. Appointments. Any appointment of a person who was already in the judicial service of a state or who had been an advocate or pleader for not less than 7 years to be a district judge in that state, made before the commencement of the Constitution, 20th Amendment, Act, 1966, cannot be deemed illegal or void solely because the appointment did not comply with Articles 233 or 235. Postings, promotions, and transfers. Similarly, any posting, promotion, or transfer of such persons as district judges made before the amendment cannot be deemed illegal or void solely on the same grounds. Clause B. Validation of judicial actions taken by district judges. Any judicial actions such as exercising jurisdiction, passing judgments, decrees, sentences, orders, or any other act or proceeding done by a person appointed, posted, promoted, or transferred as a district judge before the amendment cannot be deemed illegal or invalid solely because their appointment, posting, promotion, or transfer did not comply with Articles 233 or 235. Implications. Retrospective validation. The article provides retrospective validation to appointments, postings, promotions, and transfers of district judges that occurred before the 1966 amendment, ensuring that they are not rendered invalid due to non-compliance with procedural requirements outlined in Articles 233 and 235. Judicial stability. It also ensures that any judicial acts performed by these judges are protected from being invalidated on procedural grounds, thereby maintaining the stability and continuity of judicial proceedings and judgments. Conclusion. Article 233 serves to legitimize the status and actions of certain district judges whose appointments or movements within the judiciary might have been questioned for procedural non-compliance. This provision upholds the legality of their positions and the judicial decisions they have made, thereby preventing disruption in the administration of justice due to technicalities in appointment procedures. The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 6. Subordinate Courts. Article 233A. Validation of appointments of, and judgments, etc., delivered by, certain district judges. Notwithstanding any judgment, decree or order of any court. A. 1. No appointment of any person already in the judicial service of a state or of any person who has been for not less than 7 years an advocate or a pleader, to be a district judge in that state, and 2. No posting, promotion or transfer of any such person as a district judge, made at any time before the commencement of the Constitution, 20th Amendment, Act, 1966, otherwise than in accordance with the provisions of Article 233 or Article 235 shall be deemed to be illegal or void or ever to have become illegal or void by reason only of the fact that such appointment, posting, promotion or transfer was not made in accordance with the said provisions. B. No jurisdiction exercised, no judgment, decree, sentence or order passed or made, and no other act or proceeding done or taken, before the commencement of the Constitution, 20th Amendment, Act, 1966 by, or before, any person appointed, posted, promoted or transferred as a district judge in any state otherwise than in accordance with the provisions of Article 233 or Article 235 shall be deemed to be illegal or invalid or ever to have become illegal or invalid by reason only of the fact that such appointment, posting, promotion or transfer was not made in accordance with the said provisions.